All right, so to view your computer's specs on a Mac, the easiest way to do that is to click the Apple logo in the top left corner and then choose About This Mac. We'll get a simple little overview showing your computer model, the model year, what chip you're using, how much memory you have, that type of stuff. If you click More Info, you'll get the About page opened up in your system settings. Talks a little more about the displays that are attached, the storage you have, etc. If you want even more detail, there's a System Report button down here. I'll click that, and then we can look at the System Report, which tells us everything about the computer. A lot of the same info, but here, for example, you can see the total number of cores on your computer, and you have your hardware and software broken down into these separate sections here. So I could look at graphics and see my GPU details, how many GPU cores I have, etc. Display information is also here with the resolution and the firmware version that's currently on my display. There's your memory details, and if you're on a laptop, under the power menu, you'll see your battery cycle count and battery health. And under storage, I can view all the storage that's currently mounted on my computer. That includes the internal hard drive, as well as any external drives I have connected at the moment. So a ton of info here about your computer. And that is how you check your computer's specs on a Mac. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.